Songbird. You know what? I truly believe that 2022 is your year to shine. And so I'm inviting you to join me in a very special singing challenge. It is the Sing Better in 7 Days Vocal Transformation Challenge. Songbird, from the 10th to the 16th of January 2022, I will be releasing a new video every single day, and that is going to be part of the Sing Better in 7 Days Vocal Transformation Challenge. I'm going to be covering everything as it pertains to helping you sing better. We're going to talk about breathing and diaphragm, singing high notes, singing low notes, singing chest voice, singing head voice, falsetto, mixed voice, belting, vibrato. I swear, there is nothing that is not going to be covered, okay? I'm going to be showing you all the full extended exercises, as well as sharing incredible tips and tricks that you are going to absolutely love. And we're going to apply all the knowledge into the songs that you love to sing. Now, for everybody who actually signs up for this challenge, you will win 2 incredible things from me. Number 1, you will get my free 5-minute morning vocal warm-up audio that you can actually practice every single day before the challenge videos. And number 2, you're going to win a 1-hour live online masterclass with me. How does that sound? So, are you in, Songbird? If you are, I'd love you to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to let me know that you are excited and that you're going to join me for the Sing Better in 7 Days Vocal Transformation Challenge. And also, you need to sign up for it at the link below in order to get the 5-minute vocal warm-up audio and also to win the 1-hour live online masterclass with me. Lastly, these sorts of challenges are always more fun with a friend. So please invite a friend, okay? And then that'll actually help you to stay accountable as well and to help you actually commit and complete the whole 7-day challenge. Songbird, I cannot wait to see you on the 10th of January 2022 for the Sing Better in 7 Days Vocal Transformation Challenge. Don't forget to click the link to sign up now.